Hey there, I'm here today to unlock one of the mysteries of the English language that puzzles learners all around the globe, the use of past simple and present perfect tenses. Now let's dive right into it. Imagine you're talking about events that happened at a specific time in the past. Maybe it was yesterday, maybe a decade ago. For those moments, English uses the past simple tense. For instance, if I met someone in January 1975, I'd say, "We met in January 1975? Simple, right? But it gets a bit trickier when we talk about actions that have an impact on the present or are not tied down to a specific time. That's where the present perfect tense comes into play. So if I'm talking about something that happened recently and still affects now, like not seeing a friend this week, I'd say we haven't seen Diana this week. Let's clear up a common confusion with a daily example. Suppose it's late afternoon and someone asks if you've eaten lunch. If lunchtime's over, you'd say, "I didn't have any lunch today." But if you believe you might still grab a bite, you'd say, "I haven't had any lunch today." See the difference? It's all about whether there's still a chance for action in the present. And why does this matter? Well, mastering these tenses can greatly improve both your spoken and written English. It helps you convey your message more precisely and makes you sound like a native speaker. So the next time you're about to share a past experience or talk about something relevant to the current moment, pause and think. Is it a closed chapter or is it still ongoing? This will guide you whether to use past simple or present perfect. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you on your journey to mastering English tenses. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.